Never stop being kind to people. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs. And a little kindness can truly make all the difference. In a world where everyone is fighting their own battles, a simple act of kindness can light up someone's day and lift their spirits. Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of humanity in today's world. So, whether it's a smile to a stranger, a kind word to a friend, or simply being there for someone in need, keep spreading love and positivity wherever you go.